Hi everyone, we are from Group MindBridge, and our project proposal for the Internet Programming course is titled MindBridge Digital Mental Health Literacy Hub. Our team members are Chok Hui Wen, Tan Sining, Simi Teng, and Ivo Barry Jeffrey. The goal of our proposed project is to develop a website that promotes mental health literacy among higher education students. MindBridge will serve as a digital hub that provides access to mental health information, resources, and interactive features to support students' well-being. In this proposal, we will explain our use case modules and also our prototype for each modules.
Hi, I'm Simi Teng. So now I'm going to talk about the problem statement. So firstly is students have low mental health literacy and sometimes they are fear of judgment and also have some stigma. Some students, they are lack of early detection and also self-awareness. So it causes them have a poor emotional self-monitoring. So in this health literacy hub, it will overcome this problem.
Hi, I'm Hui. I'm going to present the solution. The hub will provide interactive learning modules such as videos, infographics, and quizzes that can educate students about mental health basics, coping strategy, and when to step up. The peer support forum will allow students to share experience anonymously, promoting a safe and stigma-free environment. Besides, the system will include self-assessment tools such as short quizzes that can help students to identify potential issues early. And lastly, a mood tracking module will enable students to report their emotions daily. This encourages self-reflection and will help the counselors to understand the emotional changes over time.
This is the use case diagram, which consists of 8 modules and 20 use cases divided accordingly between 4 members, which will be presented after this. The 3 actors are student, counselor, and admin. And the 8 modules starts from user authentication and profile management, mood tracking system, peer support forum, telecounseling and appointment scheduling, learning and awareness modules, self-assessment tools, gamification and reward, and finally admin management and analytic dashboard.
Now I'm going to demo the first module, which is user authentication and profile management. So first, we are going to click the create new account, and then we can fill in the details, and then press register. Then it will go back to the login page. Then for the student, fill in the student username and password, then press login. Then we go to the student dashboard. So here at the profile, the student can edit their profile. So here, for example, here's department is computer science. Then you click edit profile. And now I change the department into engineering, and then click save changes. Then it will show here the department is engineering. So wow. And then for the counselor, you can fill in the counselor username and password and then click login. And then this is the counselor dashboard. And then for the admin, you can fill in the admin username and password. Click login. Here is the admin dashboard. Now I'm going to present module 2, which is mood tracking system. So at the student dashboard, press the mood tracker. And then here you can see the current streak is 7 days and the average and the total entries is 7. And then you can record daily mood by pressing the log today mood button. And then you can fill in your mood and then click save mood. And then today mood will be saved and shown here. And then you can see the current streak is 8 days and the average will become 4.0 and then the total entries will become 8.
For the module of peer support forum, here is it. And firstly, we can create new posts. So click on title and content, and then we publish the post. So we'll see here is the new post published. And then if you want to like other people's posts, you can also comment something so that it will appear here as a new comment. And also we'll see this increased like and increased comments. So for the 4th module, which is the telecounseling and appointment scheduling, so go to appointments tab and we can create a new appointment. So choose the counselor and then choose the date. We have a calendar Dropbox and then the time, and then we can choose the session and we can just submit the request. So we'll see here is a pending request. From the counselor interface, we go to appointment, we'll see here's the joint student video call appointment, and then we can approve and can also decline appointments. So okay, back to the student interface. We can see the appointment has been approved by Dr. Sarah.
This is module 5, learning and awareness module. Students can take quizzes and learn different modules. So as a student, I can review a module, watch the video, and take a quiz. After I take the quiz, I can submit, and there will be a pop-up message. Start learning. This is another category of module. After I answer the quizzes, I can also submit the quiz. This is module 6, self-assessment tools, where students can answer questionnaires For example, there will be 9 questions here, and after student answer all the questions, click Submit Assessment, and the results will be shown. One, submit the results here. After students view the results, they can choose to book appointment.
This is the demo for Module 7, gamification and report. So here under the students profile tab, after doing their learning modules, here they can see their rewards and milestones. Here they can see their learning progress, their achievements, their badges, and also a leaderboard or those the highest match currently. So here is the preview of when they successfully done their learning modules. They get a specific set of points, and you get a milestone saying what is their progress, their total milestones, and their correct level. That's it for the demo of Module 7. Demo for Module 8, Admin Management and Analytic Dashboard. So here we'll start by logging in first as the admin. And the first space they see is the dashboard that shows the overview, recent activity, and the system's health, and also the alerts of any assessment results that require review. So after that, it is under the user. In user management, the admin can add a new user, edit or delete them. So for example, if they're editing the user, they can change their name, emails, roles, and status. Or if they want to delete them, you can just click delete, and it will be deleted from the database. You can also add a new user by adding their name, email, or status, such as here, and when they edit, it will be added to the database. Now under content is where the admin can add a new module, edit or delete them, and also review reports of the forum. They can add a new module by entering the title, category, and the status, and they will successfully add a new module. You can also edit or delete a module by changing the titles, category, and status, and they can also delete them, just as shown here. In terms of forum moderation, the admin can review the reports by either approving them or removing the posts. They can close it, and they will show that there will be no more posts that is pending review. Now under reports, the admin can look at analytics and reports such as user statistics and the assessment summary, and also export them, either user, the assessment, or the usage reports. That's all for Module 8.